In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to remove and reinstall the handle on the French rail patio door. You might want to replace your handle if it becomes damaged or you want to upgrade your handle to a designer finish. It's easiest to remove and reinstall the handle with an assistant. To remove the handle, remove the 2 screws from the inside of the door at the top and bottom of the handle. Once the 2 screws are removed, you can separate the handle from the door. To reinstall the handle, first line up the connector so it's aligned with the slots in the thumb lock and key lock. Keep the locking mechanism in place and then install the 2 handle parts on the door. Once the 2 pieces are flush against the door, reinstall the 2 screws starting with the top screw partially installed and then install the bottom screw. Tighten them both and then test the locking mechanism. For more information about the French rail patio door and more tips and tricks, visit our website at miwd.com.